Node.js Socket.io is a powerful JavaScript library for real-time web applications. Here are 10 facts you need to know about it. Socket.io enables real-time bidirectional event-based communication between the client and the server. Developed in 2010 by Guillermo Rauch, Socket.io is built on top of the Node.js runtime environment, making it highly scalable and efficient socket. I/O uses WebSockets, a protocol that enables bidirectional communication between the client and the server and falls back to other techniques such as long polling in case WebSockets are not available. Socket.io provides a simple and easy-to-use API for sending and receiving messages between the client and the server using events. Socket.io supports rooms and namespaces, which enable grouping clients and limiting the scope of events to specific clients or groups of clients. Socket.io can be used with various front-end frameworks, such as React, Angular, and Vue.js, as well as with back-end frameworks, such as Express and Koa. Socket.io provides built-in support for authentication, allowing developers to secure their real-time applications. Socket.io can be used for a wide range of applications, including real-time chat applications, online gaming, and collaborative editing tools. Socket.io has a large and active community of developers, which provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and support, making it easy for developers to get started and build complex real-time applications. Socket.io is constantly evolving and improving, with new features and updates being added regularly. These are just a few of the many benefits of Node.js Socket.io. Whether you're building a real-time chat app, an online game, or a collaborative tool, Socket.io can help you achieve your goals. Thank you for listening.